Versatility evolved. With the ROG Claymore II, you can create your ideal gaming setup by placing the new detachable numpad on whichever side you prefer. Then choose between wired or wireless mode and light it all up with Aura Sync. Assume full tactical control with ROG RX optical mechanical switches and customizable hotkeys. Play it your way. The detachable numpad can be attached on either side of the keyboard, or it can be removed entirely if you prefer to use ROG Claymore II in TKL mode, 80%. It can also be programmed to be used as a macro keypad for complex in-game commands. This flexibility gives you various combinations to suit your playstyle and gaming setup. ROG RX optical mechanical switches. ROG RX Red and RX Blue optical mechanical switches offer consistent, wobble-free keystrokes with a superfast 1 millisecond response and 100 million keystroke lifespan. These premium switches have a hollow square stem design and they feature embedded RGB LEDs providing all-round per-key lighting. Lag-free connection. Play in wired or wireless 2.4 GHz RF mode, with a superfast 1 millisecond response time. Fast charge OR USB pass-through. 30 minutes of USB-C fast charging allows ROG Claymore II to be operated for up to 18 hours, lighting off. The fast charge function can be switched off to use the provided USB pass-through for convenient connection to other devices. Top reviews from the United States. Key sound and travel weight. Very nice keyboard sound and rigidity, preferred over Cherry MX Browns which I've used for many years. I have used lots of different keyboard switches and this one, RX Red, seems to have very linear yet still tactile and quiet. The stabilizers on spacebar and Enter tab are perfect. The side-marked keycaps with integrated functionality are very nice when I want change volume or brightness. Detachable keypad is secure and seems like it will last a long time. Big volume wheel and play pause macros. USB pass-through when plugged in. ASUS Armory Create works good, you can customize everything on the keyboard. Great buy on sale.